Viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet handbag designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet handbag design refers to the art and craft of crafting handbags using crochet techniques used in whole, interlocking loops of yarn, thread, or other materials with a crochet hook. These designs can range from simple and functional bags to elaborate and decorative pieces. Here is a breakdown of what crochet handbag design entails. Planning your design. Choose the right pattern. Beginners. Start with simple shapes like rectangles, quadrilaterals, or circles for bucket bags. Advanced. Experiment in integrating pattern or picture pieces. Select several materials. Use standard yarn like cotton, jute, or nylon for the stem. For lightweight, decorative bags or for cushion Decide on canvas. If it is over water, jumper bags like crossbody bags. Fashion. Use decorative patterns, embellishments, and luxurious earrings. Incorporate lining and fabric lining for extra strength and to prevent atoms from popping through. Match or contrast the lining color with your yarn for a professional finish. Crochet techniques. Use tight stitches. Tighten your tension for a firm and sturdy fabric. Loose stitches can stretch and distort the back shape. Work in the round. For seamless bags, use circular crochet techniques to avoid visible joints. Shape your bag. Use increases and decreases to create curves and depth, and cast test for a boxy shape. Rainbow sandals. Crochet double tip straps or incorporate sturdy materials like rope or leather for traveling. Adding style. Color play. Use ombre yarns or create stripes for visual interest. Experiment with color blocking or gradient effects. Texture. Use popcorn, bubble, or pop stitches to add texture for all different distance factors for a unique look. Decorations and tassels for hooks, bows, or buttons. Personalize your bag. Crochet flowers or motifs to add and embellishments. Handles and closures. Crochet handles in matching or contrasting colors. Add zippers, magnetic snaps, and drawstring closures for security. Practical tips. Ensure your stitches match the pattern size and adjust tension if needed. Test the shape. Assemble the pieces temporarily before sewing to check proportion and functionality. Use stitch markers, keep track of rounds or dots, especially for complex patterns. Finish edged neatly. Use slip stitches or single crochet for clean and steady edge. Block your bag. Shape your bag by cutting and pinning it to dry, ensuring a polished and even finish. Advanced tips. Mix materials. Combine crochet with leather, fabric or metal accents for a modern look. Experiment with shapes. Create unconventional shapes like hexagons, triangles or 3D motifs. Incorporate pockets, add inner or outer crochet pockets for extra functionality. Instructions for sewing. Add interfacing or cardboard accents between the lining and crochet fabric for sturdier results. With a clear plan and the steps, you can create a stunning crochet handbags that are both functional and fashionable. Creating crochet handbags requires a mix of creativity, technical skill, and artistic ingenuity. Whether you are a beginner or experienced crocheters, these tips will help you craft beautiful and functional bags. Crochet handbags are a perfect blend of functionality and artistry, creating to a variety of tastes and needs. Whether you are making out for yourself or purchasing a handbag kit, they stand out as timeless and stylish accessories. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!